Okay, once the bottom channel is on, you're now going to install your infill. We're actually going to be installing 1x6 V tongue and groove that is raw, unstained. You can stain it, you can do whatever you want with it. Now, when you do install the bottom channel, you'll notice that there are notches here. These are the notches so that it fits fine right where that you just put your bolts in. On our demonstration, these posts are not secure, they're not level, so as I put it in, it's not going to slide in exactly because they lean a little bit until we actually get the whole fence together. But most of the time, everything will just slide right into place. But make sure you will pre-notch them before you put them in. Of course, we pre-notched these before we started this video, but you would pre-notch them as you were going.